Hi, this is Kathie from Craft with Kathie. Thanks for joining me. Just wanted to take a moment or two to tell you about Club Couture, our monthly subscription package. Our Club Couture is only $19.99 in the US. And with this monthly subscription, you will get an exclusive transfer, only available to club members and to designers. This is this month's Wild and Free. It comes with 3 individual paste packets. This month's were Sage, Tide, it's kind of like a blue, and Coral. Specifically picked out to coordinate with the transfer. And then you get special privileges. For example, check this out. This came to any Club Couture subscriber that was active in February. This was a little bonus. Wait until you see this. This is so sweet. If I could just open it up here. Woo! Here we go. In it, 2 individual packets of our new Creamy Dreamy paste formula. And look at this, a sweet little letter. Hello, friend. We've recently reformulated our Chalkology paste, and we're just beside ourselves with the amazingness of this Creamy Dreamy paste. We wanted you to be able to try it out free. And this little 4x6 transfer, you are a dream come true. How sweet is this? Just for being a club member. Club members also get special deals and perks throughout the year. You get flat rate shipping on any orders other than your Club Couture subscription. Your subscription, you get free shipping on. You don't pay. The $19.99 includes the shipping. You get access to private sales and special deals all year long. You get a copy of our most recent catalog. You get written instructions in a PDF. You also get a link to a video of the instructions for how to complete the project. And these transfers are adhesive backed, so they are reusable 8 to 12 times or more. Now, in the last week, I have done a bunny with the flowers. I've done a tote bag. I can reach my little tote bag here. A tote bag with a little beaded garland. And I actually did the Wild and Free on a chalkboard, just as it is, instead of picking out pieces. So you can see how versatile this is. And my club members get a Zoom meeting once a month where we make 3 projects a little out of the box using our transfer, so that I could show my members the versatility of the kit. And they also are privileged to special discounts from me. So membership in the club does have its privileges. I'll put the link in the comments below. So if you want to check it out, just take a look at it and let me know what you think. I know I listed quite a few benefits of Club Couture, but I think what's most important is that 45 minutes to an hour of peaceful creativity that it provides. Once a month, give yourself a break. Enjoy yourself, create the project as demonstrated, or tweak it as you want. Remember, our transfers are reusable, so after you use it and make something for yourself, make something for some friends. Let your creativity soar. It's easy. If you could butter toast, you can chalk. See the link below to find out more about the club. See you later.